I'm Wally Jordan. I'm an A&P mechanic. Been doing it since 1984. I've been out state of Washington since 94. I own the business here. It's a general aviation. I could work depending on experience. Everything from wheels and brakes, airframe work, which could be sheet metal, riveting, fabric work, engine work. We overhaul engines, we troubleshoot. Could work for the airlines. I'd be working under their repair certificate more than my A&P license. 4:30 get here, 6:30-ish. I do paperwork and stuff before I roll in here in the morning. Some of that's because I do own the business, so there's all that kind of, the financial and the pay the bills aspect of things, but I never have a set schedule. I can have a goal on what I'm gonna work on, but all it takes is one customer coming or potential customer coming to the front door with a problem, my whole day's changed. Whether it's somebody had a flat tire or engine problem, or you start working on something and you don't have the right hardware, don't have the right parts. That's one of the bigger challenges now is supply chain issues. You probably hear that every place. The sign says 4 o'clock. If I get home by 5:30, that's a short day. We have to verify that it was done properly, sign logbooks and stuff, which that's something different than most mechanics. You know, you get in the automotive or any other world, there's no logbooks. Every time we sign a logbook, we're saying we did it right, and liability-wise, we're sticking our neck out a bit. So Don and I got our A&P license through school, associate's degree for my licensure, which qualified us to take our tests, which everything's test-based. Written for airframe and power plant, and then we did oral and practical for each license. Because you get a power plant license, you get an airframe license. Right now, there's a pretty big shortage of mechanics with their A&P license. You know, your Vietnam vets, there's a lot of guys that get it through the military. There is a way to, you know, an apprenticeship, if you want to call it that, where you can qualify by work experience. School route, 2.5 years. Most of them are an associate's degree. Sophomore, junior in high school, or prepare yourself. Take your math classes. You don't have to go too much beyond your general math other than geometry. Your science, your technical programs. If there is any shop classes, take them. Prepare you any way you can, hands-on. You know, you're not taking the ACT, SATs, that kind of stuff. It would be different than that. Some places, a lot of times we have openings for what I call a belly washer kid. You know, washing planes, sweeping floors. It gets exposure, see if it's what you want to do. Resumes are nice. Work experience, I mean, do anything. When they come walking in the door and looking for work, I ask them if they got a resume. No, I said, well, bring me a resume. That's step one. If they've got a license or not have a license. If they don't have, the only option I have would be general shop cleanup. The more work experience you got, helps your resumes, everything else, because you got references. I got to do a different thing every day. My day is never the same. It's never what I plan on it being, usually. Now, some customers may get frustrated because I'll make a promise that, oh, you should be out of here by Wednesday. And then somebody comes in with an issue, or they get out prioritized, or, you know, every job's a broken bolt away from 20 minutes to a 2-week ordeal. Stay out of trouble.